Hey boys and girls, Miss Barrow coming to you today with math lesson 3.8, all about our numbers 0 through 10. Let's get started. I'm going to have a problem I'm going to build in my screen. All right, here it is. 9 cats came to the door. Put my 9 cats in. 6, 7, 8, 9. Get that number stuck in your head. 9 cats came to the door. Then one more. How many do I have now? That's right, 10. Because 9 and one more makes 10. All right, I've got some counters. How many counters do I see? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take my writing tool and I'm going to write my number down, around, and put on, oops, didn't let me finish. Let's try that again. I'm going to take my writing tool and I'm going to write my number. How many did I have? That's right, 5. Down, around, and we already gave it a hat. The number 5. Great job. How many counters do you see? Hold up your fingers and show me. Hey, that rhymes. Me, see. That's right, you see 3. Great job. How many counters do you see? Hold up your fingers so you can show me. That's right, I see 7. How many counters do you see? Hold up your fingers so you can show me. That's right, you showed me 10. 2 whole hands to make 10. All right, here are some black dots. I'm going to use my black dots to make a picture today. There are 3 dots on my paper. So I'm going to start by writing the number 3. I'm going to use my magic tool. And I'm going to connect. I'm going to use my tool. And I'm going to draw a line connecting these dots, which are not cooperating with me today. Here we go. Have a line. Here we go. And I'm going to get my connecting tool, and I'm going to draw another silly thing. My computer is not wanting to work with me today. Nope. One more try. Great gracious. Now I can do it. Make another line. And let's see if I can do another one. And make another line. I made a shape. What is this shape? I think if I were to fill it in, there's my paint bucket. There's my paint bucket. If I filled it in, it was not supposed to fill in the whole background. It was just supposed to fill in my shape. If I was to fill in my shape right here, maybe put some red pepperonis right here, I would make a pizza. So, my goodness, it is not cooperating with me today. I'm going to write the word pizza. So my 3 black dots made a P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. That's what my 3 black dots did for me today. All right, I hope you boys and girls had a good time. I want you to draw some black dots on your paper and show me via picture what you can make out of 3 black dots. Or more. You can use 1 to 10. Put some dots on the paper and show me what you can do, what kind of picture you can create using some black dots. Hope you guys have a great day.